Welcome to our channel. Today, we take you on a spiritually uplifting journey to one of Hyderabad's most revered and vibrant temples, Peddamma Talli Temple, nestled in the heart of Jubilee Hills. A place where faith meets grandeur and traditions come alive every single day. Let us begin the journey, a divine journey to Peddamma Talli Temple, Hyderabad. Located on road number 55, Jubilee Hills, this temple is a major attraction for devotees throughout the year, especially during Bonalu and Mahankali Jatra. Peddamma translates to the Supreme Mother, and this temple is dedicated to her, an embodiment of divine power and motherly care. As you approach the temple, the road itself sets the spiritual tone. Decorated with vibrant photos and posters of Ma Peddamma, Goddess Durga, and Mahankali in different avatars, the path leading to the entrance becomes a canvas of devotion and artistry. The colorful display immediately connects you to the festive and sacred atmosphere that the temple is known for. Statue of Trishul in hand fingers. Before entering, you'll notice something unique. A towering sculpture of the Trishul, trident, cleverly designed around hand fingers. It's more than just a visual marvel, it symbolizes the goddess's power to destroy evil and protect her devotees. This symbol not only showcases artistic brilliance, but also reminds every visitor of divine strength. Classical building front architecture and temple history. As you face the temple, its grand Dravidian-style architecture comes into view. The Gopuram, adorned with intricate carvings of gods and goddesses, reflects the South Indian temple aesthetic. Though the present structure was built in the 1990s, the origins of worship at this spot date back centuries. According to local legends, the temple was built after a villager's vision of the goddess, who asked for a place to be worshipped here. Since then, Peddamma has been revered as the protector of the people. Coconut Breaking Point. Just outside the temple entrance, you'll see devotees breaking coconuts, a traditional offering to the goddess. The designated coconut breaking zone is always buzzing with activity. The act signifies breaking of ego and surrendering to the divine. You'll often see families praying with folded hands before offering their coconuts, each one whispering a wish or a thank you. Athletic shoe stand area. To the left of the entrance is the shoe stand, where footwear is neatly arranged and tagged. The volunteers here manage the area with discipline and devotion, ensuring a clean and respectful entry into the sacred premises. It's always well organized, even on peak days. Shopping bags, puja samagri shopping stalls on the way to the temple. Both sides of the road are lined with colorful puja samagri shops. These stalls sell flowers, coconuts, kumkum, saris, garlands, bangles, and photos of the goddess. You'll also find shops selling brass items and spiritual souvenirs. The hustle and bustle, the smell of jasmine and camphor, and the cheerful shopkeepers create a spiritual bazaar that adds to the temple vibe. Curry and rice prasadam counter after darshan. Don't forget to visit the prasadam counter. The most common offering here is the delicious sweet pongal and pulihora, tamarind rice, neatly packed and served to devotees. Some days, you may also find laddu or kesri prasadam, available for purchase or as a free blessing from the temple. Temple timings and best time to visit. If you are planning a visit, it's important to note the temple's schedule. From Monday to Saturday, the temple is open into sessions, morning from 6 o'clock a. to 1 o'clock p. and again in the evening from 3 o'clock p. to 8 o'clock p. On Sundays, being a special day for devotees, the temple remains open continuously from 6 o'clock a. to 8:30 p. It's best to visit early in the morning for a peaceful darshan or in the evening when the temple is beautifully lit and the atmosphere is truly divine. The coin standing belief, one of the most fascinating and widely followed beliefs at the Peddamma temple, is the coin standing ritual. After offering prayers, many devotees attempt to make a coin stand upright on the temple floor or railing near the sanctum. It is believed that if the coin balances and stands on its edge, the goddess has accepted your prayer and your wish will soon be fulfilled. You'll often see devotees trying patiently, with eyes closed in prayer, placing the coin carefully while chanting her name. Though it might look simple, when the coin stands, it's a moment of divine connection and joy, with some even capturing it on their phones to remember the blessing. Person with folded hands, Mandir Darshan, and view of Ma Peddamma. As you enter the Sanctum Sanctorum, you are immediately drawn to the powerful and divine presence of Ma Peddamma. Adorned with silk saris, gold ornaments, and flower garlands, the idol radiates grace and strength. The lighting, chanting, and devotional songs create an aura of peace and positive energy. Many devotees are seen with teary eyes, bowing in complete surrender, lost in the moment. Open Book Temple beliefs and faith in Peddamma Talli. Peddamma Talli is believed to grant protection, health, and prosperity. Locals often start new ventures, buy new vehicles, or plan family functions only after seeking her blessings. It's believed that during Bonalu, she comes alive in spirit, and her power protects the entire city. Devotees also believe that once you surrender your problems at her feet, she will surely show a solution. Place setting Prasad Hall. There is also a Prasad dining hall located within the temple complex. On auspicious days, Annadanam, free meals, is offered to all visitors. The hall is spacious and managed by temple volunteers who serve food with a smile, echoing the spirit of service and community.
अरे मामा जी रखी दो ना को रबर बैंड
Upper board closing. Whether you are a believer or a traveler seeking culture and serenity, a visit to Peddamma Talli temple leaves an indelible mark on your soul. The colors, the devotion, the rituals, and the rich spiritual energy all come together to create an unforgettable experience. We hope you enjoyed this divine journey. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such spiritual and cultural content. Jai Peddamma Talli.